This is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker TTOO or T2 BioSystems. So they did have a big rip yesterday. The annual shareholder meeting actually got delayed. There was a change to the laws on how reverse splits are voted on. So the company decided to delay the shareholder meeting a few days and kind of change the wording on the proxy for the vote. So they kind of updated the wording to reflect the new law that went into effect, I believe, in August for Delaware. So they have a new law around how the reverse splits can be approved. It used to be based on a majority of the outstanding shares. Those votes had to go for it, and then they changed the law to say that only a majority of the people who cast votes on the proposal, that's all they need now to get a reverse split pushed through. So that's kind of the new updated law around approving reverse splits as far as the voting process goes. So they decided to give people a few more days here, update that wording to reflect the new law, and then the shareholder meeting will be happening Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern time. So before then, you can still go online and vote. If you've already voted, you do not have to go back in and cast a vote again unless you want to change your vote. That would be the only reason you would go back in, is if maybe you want to change your vote based on the new law that was passed about how the reverse splits get approved. So you can see yesterday this thing ripped all the way up to about 32.5 cents, a little higher, and then it had a pretty good dump, pumped back up, and it's just kind of been tucked within a range here on the 15-minute. So we'll kind of see here today if either of these levels break here. We've got a level down here to the downside of about 28 cents or so that has been holding since yesterday, and then to the upside we got really good rejection here at about 31 cents. So we'll kind of see if this thing remains range bound as we trek towards the important shareholder meeting and the proposals, because there's a few proposals in there. Of course, one of the massive ones is the reverse split proposal, but then there's also another one that allows them to convert some of their debt into stock, into common stock, which would be dilution for the current shareholders. So some pretty important proposals coming up here. We'll find out the results of that on Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern. So I'll continue to keep you updated here on ticker TTOO or T2 BioSystems. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.